Hello guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020, and we continue to use our calendar to measure time. When we last spoke, we read a book about measuring time with a calendar, and your assignment was to go into your own calendar in your Google Classroom assignment and start adding some special and important dates. We added Mother's Day together when we spoke. When we were together on Monday. Another 2 days that I thought about we could add here are, I'm going to move here, and this is for May 5th. And we know that May 5th is Cinco de Mayo. This is a holiday that is celebrated in Mexico to celebrate the army celebrates their victory at the Battle of Puebla. Cinco de Mayo, we may not celebrate it as often or here, but some of us do. We celebrate that on, this year it is on the 5th of May. And then another day, guys, that we can add here is May 25th. This year, Memorial Day falls on Monday, May 25th, and we know that Memorial Day is a day that we use to commemorate all those who died for our country in the military, that were in the military service. So that is another important day that is celebrated. So today what I want you to do is I want you to go watch the videos that are posted under this assignment. Then go back to your Monday assignment, open up your calendar and add any other days that you thought about that you did not add on Monday. And when you're done completely adding all your special days, all the days in May, then go ahead and submit this lesson. And this calendar will be submitted from the Monday assignment. So remember, we use a calendar to measure time, to keep us organized, to give us reminders for special days that are coming up, maybe for appointments, dentist appointments, doctor's appointments, those types of things. So I can't wait to see your calendar, guys. But first, remember, go back and watch these videos, then go back into your Monday lesson, pull up your calendar and fill in the rest of those days. Then you can click turn in and get that submitted to me. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon.